Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you guys? How's your morning? How's your pre-market? Did you trade something? This move up was amazing on NQ, right? Good morning, guys. My 2-minute model play out today, this morning, for 9 a.m. candle. This is what I'm trying to backtest as well. So far, my test play out. Took sell yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. Sell off was super obvious. I don't know why it took so much time to drop, honestly. Like, I did absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, yesterday was only one obvious move was drop too far for value gap. That's it. And I'm not going to lie. I expect to get like solid move during AM session. PM maybe will reverse, retrace. But now they decided to like take 4 hours to drop and 15 minutes to pump. I was like, well, perfect. Yeah, exactly. Yesterday, it offered like 2-minute order block for short, as well as it offered 2-minute bullish order block for long. So, just, today when I woke up, I was like, should I even stream AM session? Because honestly, if it's going to be choppy again, maybe like today will be last day when I'm going to stream AM session because it's just wasting of time, right? I mean, of course, we can scalp AM session, but I'm bad scalper, to be honest. A very bad scalper. I don't know if it's me or everyone, but for me, it's much harder to make 15 points than make 50 points. Maybe this is just me. But to find setup to simply make 15 points, I feel like it's unrealistic for me. If it's strange, not really, so I don't really calculate this. Yeah, so far, I'm sorry guys, so far we got sweep. I don't know, feels like market maker, like beginning of first stage. We'll confirm this beginning of stage by inversion for value gap right there, but feels like setups work, but the problem is what kind of setup you want to trade. Because people who trade, let's say, support and resistance, absolutely fine with trading consolidation because it's paradise for them. But people who trade like trend, consolidation feels like, so hard. And we just need to adapt once again, adjust ourselves to these conditions. We don't need to blame market for our losses because we simply cannot adjust ourselves. Me too, by the way. It's okay. Just need to work on this. Good morning, guys. Yeah, you got it. So, yeah, much easier for me personally. I'm sorry, guys. Something wrong with me today. To trade PM session. I already said that many times, and I guess my account will be green only because of PM session. So, okay, we got breaker block right now. Price trades to this breaker block. Let's see if we continue going higher to New York midnight open right now. Where is my drawing tool? Like this. So we trace to breaker block. The question is if it wants to invalidate this SMT by breaking above buy side and go to New York midnight open again. So London high seems like equal highs so far on ES. Transaction good. I mean, I would not say it bad. At least pre-market wasn't bad. I don't know how AM session is going to be. Yeah, you know, I listen AM and make this back in PM. True story. But I prefer like to stay away from AM session or like take a couple of micros, risking like $100. That's it. So AM session, just I don't feel this. I need to trade like overall. Not talking about today. I don't know about Goldbridge, but I read their book. Just don't really use this. Some people say it's useful, so you can try. I'm not going to say it doesn't work because I don't know. Yesterday we were in the range. Yeah, I'm happy I decided to walk away. Just didn't want to take unnecessary losses in this in that consolidation. So happy with my performance at this point. You mean New York Midnight Open? Let's see. So far we have breaker block price. Trying to dispute this breaker block. Let's see if we hold 50% to pump to New York Midnight Open. So far we have one more SMT. But to validate this SMT, I truly believe you need to have order block. Good morning, guys. So at this point, oh yeah, we got, looks like 3-minute breaker block, exactly same 2-minute breaker block. We did chase to for, let's see. So I'm trying to be patient right now. We have minor SMTs at highs. Yesterday, by the way, we did chase to first presented fair value gap. And look what ES did today. Just to 50% of daily week from Monday, I believe. And in Q failed. It was kind of close, which was kind of crazy at the same time. So, still trying to respect breaker block on 2, 3, 5-minute chart. Let's see if my invalidate SMT to go to New York Midnight Open at this point. Maybe Asia high. Not entirely sure about Asia high, but not going to say we will not see this level because it seems like it's trying to build first stage of accumulation right now of market maker buy model. At this point, just what I would like to see, we invalidate SMT, we create a 15-minute inversion, we're going higher. Asia high, New York Midnight Open. So this means we need to wait for 3 more minutes to validate first stage. But trying to dispute breaker block looks absolutely brilliant so far. It's in Q chart. Like if we validate market maker buy model in 3 minutes, so at this point, I don't mind to see something like this. Is it 2R? Yeah, that's 2R. But would like to have 15-minute order block with inversion first. So will be interesting move up probably. Yeah, seems like low resistance, right? To go higher. Interesting sweep. So switching, oh, I'm on 5-minute chart. We created 5-minute order block validating this sweep. Yeah, makes sense to wait a bit more right now. Like 45, maybe 950 macro. Let's see. Yeah, low resistance. You just said it. Yeah, exactly. Yes, needs to break above this high. So bad. Let's validate market maker buy model. To be more specific, first stage of accumulation. What about ES? By the way, ES has exactly the same breaker block on 5-minute chart. Seems like slower, makes sense to look probably on yes right now rather than watching NQ. Why? Because it's slower. NQ almost reached first targets. So we're about to invalidate SMT. So London high, New York midnight open. Will be nice to see. I mean, yeah. Who knows? Who knows? So NQ close to New York midnight open at this point. Pretty sure ES and confident ES will go to New York midnight open as well. Because I noticed, like, for ES, New York midnight open acts as a magnet most of the time. Let's see if we break above New York midnight open. I totally agree with you about New York midnight open. Strong break should deliver to Asia high, probably to 15-minute fair value gap, but not sure about this yet. It's okay. So if you miss the move, it's okay. You can wait for another one. I guess market usually offers more than one setup a day. Or opportunity, right? If not setup, just enter continuation. It's trying to go to New York midnight open right now. Yes, struggling, so cannot break this high to invalidate SMT. I don't really like this. So trend still struggling. Definitely seems like once again low resistance to upside. 150k. Not really. So we need to see a strong break above New York midnight open to deliver to Asia high. At this point, if it's going to be just sweep, probably tracing back down. Yes, about to invalidate SMT, which is strong sign for us for continuation higher. Because I believe if ES wants to reach New York midnight open, we will see Asia high on NQ. So in my perfect world, I would like to see London high taken on ES. And we're going higher. Yeah, backtesting. Yeah, exactly. We're going higher above New York. We're going higher to New York midnight open. So far, as I said, we got sweep of New York midnight open and NQ. So I cannot say that it's strong buy signal. It's probably like a weak signal so far. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Then you need to see like displacement above this level to quickly deliver us to Asia high. Yeah, you like sell side liquidity levels. I'm not talking like about sell side liquidity levels. Let's see if we get any signs of smart money reversal on lower time frame to talk about potential move lower. Yes, cannot break this short-term high so far. London high. It's not London high. It was probably previous day low from yesterday, from Monday. It's Monday low right here. It's not. I mean, maybe old London high. I don't know, like, but it. I believe it was Monday low. I believe so. trying to break above this level. You really need to see displacement. We broke the short-term high, invalidating SMT. I hope to get quick delivery above London high. So New York midnight open. Just need to displace on Q as well. Trying to displace. I mean, a bit slow, but it's okay. I like this big body of the candle so far. 9 seconds left on this. Let's see if we can close at this point. I like to see the closure above New York midnight open. The question is if ES right now can break above London high to go to New York midnight open and Asia high on NQ. Oh, not rates right now. Just leading the day. Honestly, surprised to see like pretty much clean move up. So that's changed for AM session recently. Equal highs and 950. Okay. Will be reversal. 10 AM reversal. Not going to predict something. We will see. Really don't want to predict something. We'll see if we get any step for silver bullet. Yeah, I agree with your 41 level simply because it seems like end of market maker buy model on lower time frame. So trying to break above London high. Let's see if we get something like this. So we broke above London high, which also was equal highs. Need to see displacement to reach New York midnight open. We also have buys below resistance right there, but looking for New York midnight open as like conservative level. Let me see if it was OT from here. It was. Yeah, equal highs taken. Yes, exactly. Let me check the risk reward if simply long from this breaker block. I guess not worth it. Could be better. Okay, like placing at 50%. Not worth it. Especially already took London high equal highs. Just above us. Can you give me the price, please? It's in Q, yes. So cannot displace so far above New York midnight open. Really would like to see displacement. Should be quick delivery too. Asia high. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen with continuation. Just will reverse. But at least good news. We have 15-minute order block and we have inversion fair value gap, but we don't have hourly order block. Bullish order block yet. Let's highlight first presented fair value gap. And yeah, we actually expect it. Yeah, on both, yes, thank you. Oh, that's brilliant then. Back on 5-minute chart because nothing interesting is going on 1-minute chart for now. Let me open 1-minute chart on NinjaTrader, so we will keep my eyes right now on this. Well, we got small 1-minute inversion to downside. We don't have any market structure shift yet, so let's see. Kind of, I would say not really confirmed reversal yet. Would like to get market structure shift to anticipate potential reversal. So at least the closure below this low right here, which is, by the way, flat candle. Well, $350. Okay, I mean, if it's going to displace right now, we will go to Asia high first. You streaming today? No, I'm streaming today. So yeah, just touch small for our British fair value gap. And Q, they trace back to consolidation of our consolidation, basically 50% so far. I know, like, feels like I'm not ready for reversal just yet. Would like to see displacement on ES as well. Because ES and Q already took New York Midnight Open, I really would like to see New York Midnight Open on ES at this point. Dynamic reversal, not going to predict. I don't know, we will see. It was a joke, so don't worry. Let's see. I don't see any signs of reversal yet, unless, for example, you're trying to, I know, like, turtle soup this small sweep. I know. You said nice short here, but I would not say it's nice short just for now. For me personally, I don't see market structure shift yet to validate short. I mean, maybe, yeah, we have like high risk short. I don't see low risk trade yet, just for now, if you're looking for short. I'm not saying like it will not happen, just I don't see opportunity to short something yet. Just for now. You validated this? Okay, I mean, short it if you can see. I will validate this short probably with any structure to downside, at least in 1-minute chart. I cannot see any any reversal for any signs of reversal yet for short. ICT said no 350. We have a value gap here. Watch new ICT first percent for value gap video. When he posted this? Like this week? I didn't see this. I'm going to check this out. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, exactly. I encourage a 1-hour order block. I see this. Anyway, would like to get any signs of smart money reversal first. For example, market structure. Oh, he said 9:30 is first. Well, I'm going to check this out after Steam, because as far as I know, I need to use like fair value gap, which was offered after 9:30, but I cannot use 9:30 itself. 3 days ago. Thank you, guys. I'm going to check this out. Thank you, thank you. Let's see. It's 10 a.m. See some volatility right now. Did not close. We'll wait for once again, signs of market structure to downside. If it wants to reverse, I just don't see any yet, just for now. Okay, guys, I will check this out. We'll share what I found out from there. I got it. Okay, I got it. So seems like yesterday closed below this level, by the way. Okay, we got first sign of potential retracement down on ES only. Looking for NQ. Small volume imbalance on 5-minute chart. What about 2-minute chart? We have fair value gap. I believe we need to invert this as well. I just kind of feel like I'm not ready to short yet. Not saying it will not drop, just not ready to short this yet. But if you guys see opportunity to short, go for it. So I'm not going to stop you, because I can be actually wrong about this. Lately, small stop losses have no chance. Unfortunately, you're right about this. Oh, look at this move. Look at this roof broken. Roof was broken. Look at New York midnight open. What is going on? Life did not prepare me for this move. Anyway, nice move up. Not going to lie. Look at this New York midnight open over here. But Asia high failed to be taken. So I have questions about this still. I guess Trump said something. Satisfied to see New York midnight open and yes, not really satisfied to see fail to take Asia a high by couple of. What's the high? Like 3 points? What? Are you serious? Feels like kind of ridiculous. Not going to lie, it was obvious draw. What's wrong with it then? She got scammed again? It feels strange right now. Market open either crazy or crazy. Exactly. So yes, agree with you about this. Feel like Asia high needs to be taken still. Should I highlight this as data high, data low? Was it like news? We have a couple of questions about this. I believe Trump said something, so We can actually check this. Let me check this out, so I will keep you updated. Okay, Hofert news, crazy news for us. What time it was? 10:04. Yeah, I got it. We got news. Seems like. So it was news that leads to this move up. But what's the problem to take Asia high? I'm just asking. Trying to understand. Okay, focusing right now, we got just order block, we got the closure above open of this done close candle. Let's see. Oops. If this order block going to hold, specifically 50% to continue this move up. Let's see. Let's see. Like, as you can see, we got order block. I'm going to highlight right now 50% to show you what I would like to see if it wants to take Asia high, which makes sense. So at this point, if NQ manages to stay above 50%, this level should go to Asia high. Like, we cannot reverse from nowhere. I believe so. Feels like from nowhere right now. Means probably we can still go higher. Only interesting continuation as long as we stay above 50% of this order block, mean threshold, using another word. I mean, we cannot reverse probably from nowhere, but we can retrace from nowhere. So right now we just tested 50%. Right now, key moment, can we break above below 50% of this order block? Because if so, we'll get a retracement lower, where probably we have like fair value gap, we have some wicks right there to retest. As you can see, we tested 50% to the tick, and price trying to respect this level, but I'm not going to say it's like long right now. Long with closed eyes. No, don't do this. I mean, pretty much big wicks right there. So not going to use, I mean, totally fine to use wicks, just pretty much big wick right there. So not going to use this. Yeah, like there's nothing we need to use strategy, enter and pray. That's all we can do. Seems like work way better than any strategies or models. For news, I can actually share with you guys. Financial Juice, it goes like this. So here's a link for news. You can track news there. Yeah. Go and check this. What time is this? Trying to respect mean threshold so far. My favorite. Yeah, it's free. Just create account. Create account and you will be good. Free. Don't need to pay for anything there. Normally, what I recommend to use is free. Any resources that I recommend to use is free. Still trying to hold 50%, which looks interesting, but doesn't want to displace. Kind of struggling, but seems like Asia high obvious target. So far, good morning, hello. Yeah, I always hate when I start consolidating near obvious liquidity level, And always I hate to see when it started consolidating, seems like offering textbook short, but with obvious drawn liquidity higher. And it's like screaming Dasha enter because seems like obvious short, but no. In reality, it's going to be just a fake 2022 model or something like this to go to obvious draw on liquidity. Yes, when wick is big, not like really like say strange, big. At this point, I use bodies. Let me move to the right now. So I do like how we respected 50% right there. It gives us a hope, but doesn't want to displace. The question is if I should consider this as data high, because I'm not entirely sure, honestly. And data low right there. Should we? Like, I know. Sitting on my hands right now. Not going to trade this consolidation. Because what I see so far, if it wants to really break below min threshold of the stimulant order block, should retrace below data low, maybe OT, like somewhere right here. And then we will see how it goes if we can enter the trade again. I mean long right here. Let us see. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday! That's third day without news. I mean, we have like sudden Trump tweet, and that's it. I cannot consider this as news. But tomorrow, finally, we will get some sort of volatility. I believe so, because we have, if I'm not mistaken, we have, where is this? Red folder news. Finally, we have red folder news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. We have red folder news tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. and orange folder news at 10. So tomorrow is going to be volatile. I hope so. Great question. Core content. Obviously, core content. Absolutely amazing playlist. I know lots of videos in there, but worth to watch this. If you see news at 10:30 today, this news not for NQ and ES, it's for oil, CL. It should affect oil, CL, but not in Q and ES. Look at this week, daily buy side, struggling, creating equal highs so far on CL. About to invert this. Nothing is going on. Order block over it, I believe. Yeah. So let's see if CL can drop lower to liquidity right there. And I will use probably with this equal bodies right there. So let's see if CL can retrace lower right now. Not like right now, but let's see if ES can go to 61.92 and 61.66. Let's set alert. Seems like good targets for downside. We got 1 hour order block as reaction and failure to break above buy side, daily buy side. What do you think about it, guys? Who trades CL? Your opinion about continuation lower? Just slightly lower. Probably this 5-minute fair value gap will be a key fair value gap for CL. Yeah, plan is if CL can retrace to fair value gap and respect this level, should go right there and trade there. Inversion should validate, but should be resistance on CL. I believe so. must stay inside fair value gap to drop lower to liquidity right there. If inverts, probably then we'll give another try. Seems like low resistance as well to go right there. Let's see. I'm looking right now on NQ on my side screen. Oh, what is this? What is this? What's wrong with with NQ on gold? So gold reached all my levels that I highlighted yesterday. So let's see what we have on daily. Yeah, we got sweep. Probably it's going to be continuation right now. But as you can see, we got a couple of fair value gaps lower on gold. The question is if on gold we can retrace lower somewhere, not like that low, to this range right there today. And to continue going higher, for example, to mean threshold of weekly order block. But kind of struggling right now, doesn't really want to go anywhere. But if finally can displace right now with this hourly candle, should go to this 2 hourly fair value gaps. Or we can say like 2 hour bullish fair value gap. Guys, you bullish or bearish on gold? What do you anticipate to get? What I would like to see if it's going to displace, and it's important displace to see big body right there. We should go here. Probably something like this with displacement. Always bullish. I mean, yeah. People buy golds for investment. Obviously, we're always bullish. If displace, I just would like to see this minor retracement down to this 2 hour fair value gap to see potential reversal. What do you think about this? Seems like current daily candle is continuation of yesterday move. Intraday bearish. You would like to see a retracement down to where? So obviously bullish. Yeah, I mean, yeah, exactly. No reason to talk about bias on high time frame. Answer is only bullish. I know. But oral right now on hourly chart, kind of don't really mind to see retracement. You said 38.81. Oh, that actually works for me. So it's close to this order block. We got this fair value gap. We got order block right there. So yeah, I agree with you about this level. Like 32.70. Like somewhere there, I agree with you. Let's see if my displays right now. Like 40 minutes left on this candle. But displacement should lead to this move down to this area. That's all I see so far, honestly. Just consolidating. Nothing is going on. Makes sense to actually wait. Because if it fails to offer displacement, we retrace back to maybe somewhere right here. So you said your bias on ES is bearish, and I don't mind to see move lower as well. But what made sense to me initially when I just was looking at chart once more before market open was we're taking out Asia high on NQ, we're creating SMT between ES and NQ, we're going lower. You know, with SMT at Asia high, and this never happened. So it feels like if it's going to reverse right now, just feels like it's going to be from nowhere. I can be wrong, just once again, feeling like this. What do you think about this, guys? You know, I remember when it was like last week I got loss where obvious draw was higher, but set up like screaming like Dasha short me, just short me. And I said like, no problem, I'm going to short you. And I shorted. Of course, it stopped me out with obvious draw higher. And right now it feels the same. So I did not trade AM session yesterday, and honestly, I'm proud of myself to decide to stay away, because AM did absolutely nothing yesterday. But I was bearish to follow for a value gap, and I'm happy 1 p.m. Offered short. I was talking about short or long PM session based on hourly power of 3. And yes, it traded above 1 p.m. open, created 2-minute bearish order block. I was like, that's my chance, Dasha, just press this button. And yes, it dropped from 2-minute order block, where to follow for a value gap. Trump makes this move faster. And from follow for a value gap, as we discussed yesterday, we did trace, like almost 200 points. And right now, personally, I'm not ready to short because I feel like obvious draw higher, no matter how good it looks. Just for now, if I see, let me see if I any setups for short. Not really. Happy to see I don't have any setups for short just for now. Because if I could have any short setups, I felt like, what should I do with this information? I'm just annoying last 40 minutes of inside consolidation again. And really, it's so hard to stay away when you see consolidation. And right now, like, maybe like at this specific second, we're about to break this consolidation. But in reality, we keep consolidating. And hardest part to stay away, honestly. Once again, I'm not saying we cannot trade. You cannot trade consolidation. If you trade like support and resistance levels, like turtle soup inside consolidation works so well. Just as I said, like I'm bad scalper, extremely bad scalper, and every single time when I'm trying to find setup for 15 points win, I cannot do this. Much easier to find like 50 points, 100 points moves than find like 10, 15 points, like quick scalp. I don't know how it works. Why it's so hard. Funny, right? I hope I'm not alone with this. Because that's crazy. It just, it's hard. Funny to say this, but I never was lucky to get solid move like scalp. Unless I got like, I saw, let's say 100 points straight. I got like just partial, which was 25 points. At this point, I cannot say it was scalp. I just got partial. Yeah, please. We're not trading. How many months already is this consolidation? Every single AM session? I already forgot how it was before. We did had perfect AM sessions. You know what I like so far? How pre-market moves and how PM session moves. Because IM feels like old Asia, when it's consolidating for 3 hours. Just any SMTs, like nothing. Yeah, it feels like IM session recently very manipulated. And why? I don't know why. Because I'm not always at home to trade PM session. So I have my laptop or I have my phone and I have TradeView accounts that can connect to trade. I'm not always available to stream this. That's why. Well, we got SMT right now. We got inversion over here. But once again, seems like we're still inside this 10 a.m. candle range. I guess, yes, it was news. Can I, not this. This news you can check right there at this website. How can I actually, okay. You can check news on this website if you want. Just create a free account. Right there, you can check news. Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, I will finish at 11 today 100% because I will rather spend my time on something more useful, and I will come back by 1 p.m. to trade PM session. That's what I know. You don't see any? It was 10:04. Just scroll down on homepage. This is what I see was offered today at 10:04. I don't see any news at 10:01 or at 10, at least important news. But this is what, I guess it was delayed news, post delayed news right there. But this is what we got. This news did this big up. That's it. That's all we have. You're welcome. I hope we are going to go for open, high, low, close, but as you can see, 10 a.m. open right there. And what we did nothing. We consolidated near 10 a.m. open. Yeah, that's amazing, by the way, website to check news. I would say like in real time. And it's free. It's free to create account. And you can filter actually. I just posted link higher in the chat, but okay, I'm going to just post again. Here's a news link, link for news website. You can check this out. Yes, they have some advertisement, but it's not that annoying. Website, just send link above your message. By the way, guys, I started backtesting PM session setup, exactly same setup for 10 a.m. And I'm going to add rules for this. If 10 a.m. failed to offer, 1 p.m. will offer setup. And so far, I've done only 3 months and got like 49 trades, 46 trades. How many trades I got? 46 trades. With good results, by the way. Do you want to check this with me while we are waiting for NQ to do something? Yeah, let's talk about this. Where is my Google? So basically, here's AM session, 1 year data. Here's PM session, only got 3 months data, and here's current May, like 2 weeks. Here's PM session. Let's check dashboard. It was 2024. So I got February, not bad. I got March, not that bad, by the way. Look at my losses and compare with my wins. Solid. Here's April, and that's what I did. That's it. As you can see, not every single day PM offered setup. Why? Because most of the time AM session offered. But sometimes we have AM and PM session. That's what I got. Honestly, I'm not going to do 1 year of data simply because I want to post video as soon as possible. So probably will be done like 6 months. It will be enough, right? For everyone. Because where is dashboard? Because I already have data for AM session. Like no reason to backtest 1 year for PM session. You can do this if you want. Here's 215 trades, simply like 1 year data. every single backtested every single month. IM was nice, but once again, as you can see, not every single day we have IM session set up, but we do have set up for PM session. That's it. Guys, what do you think about this? And for May, I already showed this yesterday. For May, this is what I got. Would like to add win on Monday. Would like to add win on Tuesday. So win rate is going to be bigger. Just I cannot forward test in backtest session. So I got 2 winners on my funded accounts yesterday and 2 days ago. So like win-win. Yes, I absolutely don't mind to trade AM and PM session. I don't have the name for this model. Like simply open high, low, close, or 2-minute. Let's call 2-minute model. So not going to like create fancy names for this. Like just 2-minute model. Yes, exactly. So far, just created session for PM. How can I see playbook? I guess I cannot see playbook. I cannot see playbook for PM session, I believe. That's strange. Don't really know what kind of... I created playbook. I will add trades there so I can share this later. But pretty much solid results for PM, IM, and 2 weeks of May. Guys, right now I'm just checking Ninja Trader to see what is going on NQ. Absolutely nothing. Details, guys, I will pause the video while why I don't want to backtest this, just pause this right now because I would like to add more results for PM session because I saw lots of traders post YouTube videos saying like this model give us like, I don't know, like let's say 80% of win rate without any evidence. Right here, at least I can show backtest data. That's why I don't want to say like this model give us 70% win rate, right? Without evidence, I cannot say this, right? Right here, I have evidence. I backtested 1 year, I backtested 3 months of PM session, and I backtested like half of May, current May. At least I have confirmed data. If you guys know how can I share this data with everyone, that will be amazing because nothing to hide. I can actually share this if I can. Share settings. I will figure this out. It's not like, it's just strategy. You can use this for scalps. It's just 2-hour strategy. You don't need to, like, you can partial out internal liquidity levels, just 2-hour strategy. If you don't want to think like about market, but I highly recommend to use this with bias, but nothing wrong with using this without bias. Just be careful with this. Just good to, I guess, for everyone to trade this. I'm going to share everything for free, guys. I'm not going to charge you for anything, just going to finish PM session at least 3 more months. It will take me like 3 more days, 2 more days, probably. Yeah, in YouTube video, I will explain what is order block, how you want to pick order block. But probably you never watch my let me find this for you. You never watch my YouTube video about this because I shared this last time. Let me find. You're welcome. So if I can help someone, it will be nice. Who watched my last video? How can I bring this back? Give me 1 second. Nothing is going on so far. So it's video I posted like 8 days ago. Clearly covered how to pick order block. We have 2 options, and if I can actually share the link, not going to go through this right now, but if you did not watch this video, I covered like 2 options how to pick order block, and you can pick optimal for you. Yeah, great. Thank you. So that's it. I hope it is going to be helpful for everyone. And I hope someone is going to be profitable with this. But at least I received many messages from, look at the ES dropping while NQ did not doing nothing. Okay, what I want to say. I received many messages from people who already backtest this, who created some indicators, bots, and as you can see, you cannot see this, but I saw lots of good results. I did not see any bad results so far. And interesting to say, lots of people said I photoshopped this, but how is it even possible? It's backtest. Why do I need to photoshop this? I was like, are you serious? Yeah, I'm ignoring them, but funny just to realize how people really thinking I Photoshop backtest. Think about this. Photoshop backtest. Oh my god. We will never understand these people, unfortunately. Especially, I'm not going to sell anything. I'm just going to share this for free. You can backtest this on your own, and then you're going to tell me if I Photoshop this or not. Yeah, guys, I will finish probably next 2-3 days. I hope to post this within the next 7 days. Especially on Monday, it's going to be bank holiday. I hope I'm going to post this before Monday. I hope so. If so, you can just spend your time on backtesting this. We're going higher. I mean, Asia high looks nice, but look at NQ right now. Absolutely amazing price action. Voice to trade this, but look at the ES. ES looks honestly better. So we got the trades to first presented for value gap. That's it. Oh, it was TradeZella. And now TradeZella did not give me this account. I bought this with my own money for 1 year subscription when it was Black Friday. Yes, looks good. Trying to respect order block. Cannot say same for NQ, honestly. Absolutely ugly. Anyway, we got internal order block, bearish order block price. Close below this order sequence of this up close candles. But I cannot trace this. You would like to backtest my backtest result? Yeah, that's nice. CL? Oh, good job on CL, by the way. Look at my. Oh, honestly, inverted this for a value gap, but failed to take this high. I would. Did it touch my level? Does it take? What I want to say about this feels strange. Like, feels like not completed, right? So I would like to see slightly lower on CL still. Gold, I already talk about gold. Nothing is going on there, so I was waiting for displacement. Oh, guys, give me one second. I need to schedule appointment. Come on. So on CL, once again, it left 2 levels lower. Not worth to trade right now in Q unless we can get better structure for this. Yeah, just not worth it just for now. Harris is called this like propulsion block because it's part of consolidation. Order block should be changed in the state of delivery. It should change something. But with this like so-called order block, we changed nothing. Perfect scheduled. We changed nothing, which makes me feel like it's not really even order block. Oh, yeah, but we got SMT at these lows. Still inside this 10 a.m. candle. So nothing is going on. Come on. Asia high needs to be taken. In my humble opinion, just definitely could be better. I talked about gold yesterday, but what I saw on gold, we got retracing to 25% of weekly bearish order block. We have 50% of bearish order block slightly higher. And if it wants to retrace higher, I would retrace. Where's my mouse? If it really wants to retrace, maybe not right now. I would go for this level, 33.45. But looking on 1 hour chart, on daily we got solid sweep. And my idea, if may displace, doesn't want to displace, as you can see, doesn't want to do anything so far. I would go to our order block, not order block, fair value gap, and would like to see potential continuation higher from this fair value gap, not lower. Just right now, stock doesn't really want to displace lower to get this move. So sitting on my hands right now. Want to stay away from this. That's what I see. Okay. At least you don't hate my accent. Thank you for this. So one more SMT at highs. At least something, so what I want to say, what I want to add to this, at least something. Yesterday, AM session wasn't perfect as well, unfortunately. Good morning, long time no see. Come on, where you was? I guess last time when I saw you was like 3 months ago, 2 months ago. Where were you? Look chill today. When it's consolidating, we're just trying to have some fun. Oh, you was on vacation. Oh, that's nice. What country did you visit? If you don't mind to share with us. Oh, Georgia, that's nice. Oh, I guess it's not United States. So we have SMT. Let's see. Chasing back to the range, but at least we have SMT. Which means nothing so far. Full of Russian. Yeah. Last, I would say 5 years, lots of Russian-speaking people, not Russian people, Russian-speaking people moving there. Good conditions for them, so there. At least the yes looks more bearish just for now. And as you can see, we got solid reaction from order block on 2-minute chart. We have liquidity level, which is lower still. Interesting to say, I would say it's not in sync right now. No problem, you just joined. The problem is it failed to take Asia high, so it's not completed move up, which is annoying. That's why I'm like, what's the problem to take Asia high? And I said before, feels like if it's going to reverse right now, just going to feel like this from nowhere. But with consolidation since 9:40 for more than 1 hour, that's absolutely crazy. It is what it is. I just know if I'm going to try to trade in Q right now, I'm going to jump out. Right there. Yeah, I mean, I will give it 10 more minutes and I'm going to be done for AM session, but I will come back by PM session. Like I did last 4 trading days and I was happy with my results. We have 15-minute bullish breaker, right? Okay. Where is my 15-minute chart? We also have mitigation block. On the PM in London, I would say PM doesn't look bad, and I stopped watching Asia, like, at all. I sleep in London, so pre-market also doesn't look bad, especially like between 8:30 and 9:30. So this 1 hour time window is amazing. So I start looking for setup at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. No, it's not only members team. I'm just not going to say I'm going to stream on YouTube because I have no idea if I'm going to be at home at this time. But I'm going to be with my laptop. You insured all in ES and Q. Because ES looks more bearish, we have liquidity level lower. ES, oh okay. ES, it's okay then. ES looks way better than in Q right now. With sell side right there. In Q. How is it possible to consolidate for hours? Okay. Cannot explain in Q price action. Hey, addicted people, stop watching in Q. You don't have any other markets? CL, Gold, ES, YM, Euro. Why are we watching NQ right now? Definitely, like, it's wasting of time. I said we need professional help, guys. So you don't want to peace, you want to have problems. Okay. Well, I mean, how many accounts blown today? Was blown today? Because I know, like, I see maybe like lots of people trying to short because ES looks more bearish, but in Q left this Asia high, which I cannot like left alone because come on, it's Asia high, obvious level there. Why we can leave this? We got one more SMT. Should we talk about SMT inside consolidation? Lots of questions about this. Such a beautiful chart. Let me like look at this. Cardiologist said it's good, like good chart right there. My heartbeat is okay. It's calm, right? Probably when it's going to look like this in the near future, it's not going to be great, but can you take Asia high? That's all we ask for the last 2 hours. Just saying, do something, just displace to this Asia high. Finally, it's not that hard. Just trust me, I checked this. A bit higher, we can help you guys. Magnets, let's push NQ higher. Come on, let's put in the chat, push it. Let's support NQ, push it. Power of magnets. Thank you. We have fun team there. Just Asia high. Oh my god. Rainbow magnets. Look how not in sync right now ES with NQ. Send it. Yes, please. Just SMT and do whatever you want. You gonna call market? Okay. They ignore me like last couple of weeks. Don't want to answer the phone. One more SMT. I love it. From Google. Yeah, one more SMT. We have SMT on both sides, but could look worse. Like lots of SMTs or consolidation. Let's play it together. Okay, like logically, if Asia high wants to be taken on NQ and ES wants to stay inside this bearish trend, it will offer solid SMT to drop later. At this point, I totally fine to short this. Because as you can see, ES NQ offers 0 signs of reversal yet. 0, like negative. Look at 5-minute chart. We have 0 signs of downside move. Well. No, beautiful 1-minute chart on YM. Look at YM. YM looks way better than ES and NQ. Solid hourly sweeps right there with 5-minute order block. So yes, absolutely solid short, honestly. Based on this sweep. Let me check. Even 2-minute model offered. We traded above 10 AM open. It offered 2-minute order block. We did trace. We took sell side right there. NQ, are you serious? every single IM session. It's not even funny anymore. But gold also consolidating, so picture remains the same. Yeah. I would like to see Bitcoin at 120 level. 100, yeah, 120, 125. Somewhere there. If we can go there. I mean, I don't mind. Trump just tweeted that we need to go to Asia high on NQ. Good job, man. Good job, man. Boss. So this green lines right there is data high, unexpected data high and data low. Oh, Bitcoin is about, okay, yeah. Asia high, finally. Took forever to go there. That's because we said push it. That's because we said push it. Anyway, what could be more ugly than this? You call them? Yeah, I guess they were on lunch. What is this? Yeah, push it. Guys. So it took forever to go there. It's 11. Yes, it's 11. Right now, time to consolidate for another 1 hour, and 12 or 1 p.m. will offer final move for us. Interesting. How many people was trying to short this? Just interesting. Because I remember lots of days when I was trying to short something similar to this. I got stopped simply because draw was higher. I already said it many times, but this is what we got. Yeah. Lots of people short this. I mean, okay, just logically, this short could play out if it was for let's say Asia high taken, any liquidity levels taken, but it definitely was in the middle of nowhere. Previously, I'm not sure about previously high, previously low taken. I'm not entirely sure about previously high just yet, honestly. Let's see. I mean, totally possible. 520. But I would say it's more if it wants to go higher and invalidate my potential retracement lower after taking Asia high, we will go to this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm not entirely sure about previous day high level, but I see this 15-minute bearish fair value gap as potential barrier for price to go higher. Let's see. So I'm not entirely sure yet. Just expansion higher. Not going to lie, I did not expect to see higher than Asia high. Just right now going to observe reaction probably. Okay, guys. It's 11. Need to take a break to come back by 1 p.m. because I'm going to trade 1 p.m. CL went to my target. First target. Second target remains lower still at 61.66. The question is if we may go there. 61.66, but first liquidity level taken for this move down. Yeah, taking a break right now for 1 hour because would like to trade PM session. Come back by 1 p.m. Guys, take care. Don't make stupid mistakes because you can do this, I know. Think twice before entering the trade. Understand the bias, and I will see you. I will see you soon, guys. I will create separate video about prop firm trading because I trade lots of accounts. I have more than 30 accounts, I guess. Yeah. I will show how I manage them and everything about this. Guys, okay, taking a break to trade PM session. I wish you good luck. Yeah. Don't make stupid mistakes. Bye, guys.